The first step in finding the grouped data standard deviation is to find the mean, and that has already been done for us. So we're on to the second step, and our second step is to take each individual value and subtract the mean from it. So we use the midpoint, which is this column right here, to estimate. So we're going to do 2 minus our mean of 7 gives us -5. 6 minus 7 gives us -1. 10 minus 7 gives us 3. And 14 minus 7 gives us 7. Our next column is we're going to take what we did in that first column and square it. So -25 squared gives us 25. -1 squared gives us 1. 3 squared gives us 9. And 7 squared gives us 49. Our next step is to take our frequency and multiply that by the value in our last column. So we're taking this column, and we're going to multiply the values. So in our first case, we have 5 times 25, which gives us 125. We have 4 times 1, which gives us 4. 8 times 9, which gives us 72. And 1 times 49, which will give us 49. Our next step is to add those values together in that column, and that'll give us a value of 250. Our next step is to take our 250 and substitute it down here. So the sum of fx minus x bar squared is actually this value. Divide it by n minus 1, so we had 18, so 17. And we take the square root of 250 divided by 17 is 14.70588235, and we take the square root of that, and that'll end up giving us a value because we're going to round to 4. So the standard deviation in this case is 4 coffees.